Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to change your age on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok application. On the lower right side, click your profile icon to go to settings, and then on the upper right side, click the three lines icon, then go to settings and privacy. So under settings and privacy, click accounts and account information. And then right here, you'll be able to see date of birth. So if the date of birth that you set on your TikTok account before was incorrect, so you need to change it. So right here, we cannot able to change the date of birth. So we need to go to settings again and scroll down, and then support under supports and about, select report a problem. So under on this page, just scroll down and submit a report because there's no options right here that um, or an issues that related to the change of date of birth. So just scroll down and submit a report. So just put your problem right here that you want to change your date of birth rather. Just put on the message that you want to change your date of birth because your date of birth was set incorrect or on this account is incorrect. Then attach your identification card for authentication purposes. So there's a photo right here, or you need to click to insert e-pictures, and then after that, click submit. And that's how to change your age or your birth date on TikTok because there's no options on the settings, so you need to report the problem. So that's it. That's how you change your date of birth or age on TikTok. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.